Welcome to this exclusive 7-bedroom 3-bathroom corner plot villa with a private pool and parking in Las Kalendas, Fortuna Murcia. At the entrance of this property, you are greeted by a covered porch with the main entrance leading into the villa. The pool is located to the right of the garden with multiple seating areas surrounding it. The garden has been tastefully landscaped with well-established trees and has incredible views of the mountains and countryside. There's a parking area to the left with a large back garden used as a storage area. At the entrance there's a covered seating area at the side, perfect for entertaining guests or outdoor dining. Entering the villa, you are greeted by the living room with 2 access doors. This space offers a pellet fire and has glass patio doors letting ample light in with mountain views. There's 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on this level, with one of the rooms being used as a dining area. Down the hallway, you have the fully equipped kitchen, bathroom with a walk-in shower at the end with access to the rear garden, and across you will find the 2nd bedroom fitted with hot and cold air conditioning. Upstairs you have the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, also fitted with air conditioning. From the bedroom, it leads out to a large balcony area with ample storage and amazing views of the countryside. Downstairs you have the basement area. This is a perfect space for hosting friends or family with its large living room and open-plan kitchen. With 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, it offers multiple storage areas. The villa also comes with a solar boiler and has access to a large community beach-style pool. Las Kalendas in Fortuna is a highly sought-after area, known for its serene environment and picturesque landscapes. Fortuna itself is a charming town in Murcia, offering a blend of traditional Spanish culture and modern amenities. Located within walking distance, the Liana thermal baths provide a relaxing retreat where you can enjoy therapeutic treatments and soak in the natural thermal waters. This villa in Las Kalendas, Fortuna, represents an exceptional opportunity to own a luxurious home in a beautiful and tranquil setting. With its modern amenities and prime location, this property is perfect for those seeking a high-quality lifestyle in Murcia. And for more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.